Okay, so continuing on, after the connection button, obviously we need a server to connect to. So if there's no server, then somebody should be the one hosting it. So this is to start a server. Okay, so that's for starting a server, and then we're gonna say if GUI dot button new rect, so 10, 50, 100 by 30. And then in here, here's one thing to remember. So the first parameters, the size, the number of players. So we're going to say network dot initialize server. Now what I mean by first parameter, the first number. If you're looking here, it says INT connections. It's not actually the number of players. So if you only have 0, if you put a 0 in there, it's not going to work when you're trying to connect. Put 1, only one person is connecting. So you at least want 2, each one to start with 2 people. So in this case, I'm going to put 12. It's more than enough, huh? Then it's going to say listen port. And then we're going to say use NAT. Or actually, we're going to do it differently. So bool NAT equals network dot public address and then I'm just gonna put that in here. Just like that. And hopefully that didn't give me an error, maybe? Why initialize server is like that. Oh, because I missed my semicolon. Okay, anyhow, the use NAT right here, I'm gonna take that out. So I will try to use it automatically if he needs to. Now here's a new weird line. This is called a loop. So tells the players to start receiving messages. Now this line, you're probably gonna have to copy and paste it several times later on. So we're gonna say for each. Don't worry about understanding now. Later on I'll teach you about loops if I can, a different video. Game object, go and find objects, the ones with the S, objects of type. Then we're gonna go like this. We're gonna say type of game object, close parenthesis, and close another parenthesis. So 3 closing ones. And we're gonna say go. So for each one, dot send message. And then we are going to make a message, and we're gonna call it on network loaded. On network loaded level. Let's call it like that. Comma. Send messages options that don't require receiver, and just like that. So that line is going to be copied probably several times later on. Then we're gonna say right below here, remote IP equals GUI dot text text field. You're that text field. Open parentheses, new rect. Then I'm gonna say 120 comma 10, comma 100, comma 20. Close that, close that. Then we're gonna say remote IP. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Okay?